Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Swift Vxi head unit actually reads USB mass storage. This matters because some units accept only specific formats. Once done, format the pen drive to FAT32 on your computer. This prevents file access errors, and copy MP3 or AAC files into the root directory. Make sure file names are simple. Special characters break older systems. You'll save time if you test a small folder first, because a quick pass reveals compatibility before you proceed with a larger music library. You now turn the ignition to ACC or on because the radio needs power to initialize the USB device. Insert the pen drive firmly into the USB port. The system will take a few seconds to detect it and may display a message or play a tone. Then press Source or Media to switch to USB mode. You'll want to use the folder or track browse controls. This avoids random playback and helps you find playlists faster. If playback is slow, let the unit index files for a minute. You finish by using basic controls: play, pause, skip, and folder seek. These give reliable access to songs without menu hunting. If the radio fails to detect the pen drive, remove and reinsert it, try a different pen drive, or reformat the drive to FAT32 and recopy a few tracks. This fixes most errors because it clears file system quirks. Finally, keep file names short and avoid deep folder trees. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, swap to a smaller 416 GB drive to confirm compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.